exclusive no commentary live stream where you can enjoy the pure, unadulterated sport at its finest. You'll also receive other unrivaled benefits. It is the most powerful motor. Out there at the moment, a couple of Maseratis coming your way, and this from Rimac, the Navara Armour sports car. However, it's got the comfort. That car, 2 empty seats, no one wants to go behind the driver. I can understand.
See, for the road-going version of the track car, effectively you've got the lighting panels, the carbon bonnets and a rear wing, but you know, Maserati's bloodline in competition goes back to the 19...
But in the motorsport world, and this GT2 Stradale over the years, it's especially
Better have small pockets.
Quite a collection of devices right now today. How special is it to have them on here?
Yeah, it looked like it was a local
carbon fibre rings. Power and paying homage to those customers. Up the hill for you with back at our
And this is a car that goes very successful with the GT2 or Euro.
Why do they call it clap?
She got you there. Okay, shall I take it to the stance?
Yeah.
So that is my filter car on the end.
No, they're
Just
if you keep on locking in the batteries as well.
No.
Yeah, you're right.
You're actually like kids, it's very
no,
nice screen.
no.
And then the guys, so Jeremy,
Good conversation. I'm the person who has to go out and fix all the problems.
There's that maximum storage over.
It's so cool. If I did what I do,
And it's like,
He's like, mate.
the American
Yeah,
that was it.
2010.
Yeah, that was something.
That was amazing.